Hello Yatra. We have created an IoT product idea named Vitality, created by Gopal Jha, Utkarsh Gupta, Arjun Tyagi, myself, Arjun Tyagi, student of Maharaja Garshan Institute of Technology, ECE, New Delhi.
So, as we all know, COVID 19 is a worldwide pandemic that needs a special attention from innovators as well as medical assistants, ensuring that patients should be completely isolated and even patient can't get doctor's assistance completely because doctors also contain a risk of infection. To overcome this problem, we have created a product named Vitality that is a low cost medical surveillance device. This product will monitor the patient's body vitals, mainly blood oxygen, SpO2, heart monitoring, ECG, body temperature, room temperature, and humidity. All this data will be securely transmitted our website and to the medical practitioner as well as the family members so that they can see the data of a patient in real time and doctor can prescribe the necessary medication accurately according to the analysis. If the body vitals of the patient go out of the threshold value set by doctor and our team would raise a SOS so that medical emergency team could get to the patient. And cost of the this project would be incredibly less.
Project, it's divided into two parts: software part and hardware part. Software part is also divided into three parts. First is data sending part. In data sending part, we are using 5 libraries to communicate between Node MCU to sensors. Our website, Vitality. This is our credential IP addresses. This is our data taking parts like dot read temperature, read humidity, etc. This is our URL where we will send the data. Second part is the holding part, a server part. This is our server host name, web host. Vitality 100 is our project page name. This is our ID, database ID. The last part is the data representing part. It is a major part and important part also. Login page. Login page are used for access the ID, user access, for user access. User page lookalikes. After entering the correct value, you will reach the landing page. This is our landing page code, HTML code, which consisting all the necessary things like room temperature, room humidity, heart rate, oxygen level, and body temperature as well. This is a JavaScript which help to take the data from the URL, web host server URL. This is a variables like humidity, temp, oxygen, heart rate, body, etc. And store the value from the server and then change the inner HTML value by those values. Replace it by those values. Like 36 will change after the present time value by node MCU. These 5 languages we are use: CSS, C++, JavaScript, PHP, Arduino code, DB connects, DB configures are used for SQL interface. Heart rate. Widely we are using PHP language and HTML. Main, read all, specific, update. Insert is more important PHP file which help to transmit the data from the node MCU to the server. Read all is also one of the important which read the data from the server to the display. So this is our project. First we enter the name, username, then password. After that you will be accessing the site. Welcome Gopal. Whenever you refresh the data page, you get the latest.
This is a tentative circuit of the project, but many parts are not included due to certain constraints. We are using Node MCU as the development board and DHT11 for the room temperature and humidity, DS18B20 for human temperature, AD8232 for heart monitoring, and MAX30102 for blood oximetry. Main challenges faced by me and my team members in this pandemic situation is lockdown, as well as availability of hardware
as the shops were closed and online coordinations has its own constraints and can limit the functionality of the team. But anyways, we had coordinated and complete this project over Discord and WhatsApp, and challenges are a part of any contest and breakthrough.
Currently, the idea is not yet completed due to the hardware availability during the lockdown, and the simulations are not possible due to physical constraints. But once the idea is selected, we can scale up our team and can complete this idea in under a month. Under support and help of the eYatra team, it will be a very useful product for the patients and can help save many lives. Thank you.